Could you imagine a future where a single Bitcoin is worth $4.6 million? A notion that might sound outlandish to some, or a beacon of hope to others. This is the world of Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency that has taken the world by storm since its inception in 2009. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, operates without a central bank or single administrator. It's a peer-to-peer network where transactions take place directly between users, with no middleman involved. These transactions are then verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. Currently, Bitcoin is a force to be reckoned with in the financial market. With its price hovering around the $50,000 mark, it's already creating waves of change. But the journey doesn't stop here. There's a speculation making rounds, a prediction that's both audacious and intriguing. Bitcoin reaching a staggering value of $4.6 million by the year 2040. It's a speculation that raises eyebrows and stirs curiosity. What could possibly drive Bitcoin to such astronomical heights? The answer lies in a multitude of factors, each contributing a piece to this complex puzzle. From the inherent scarcity of Bitcoin, the looming shadow of inflation, the potential of Bitcoin as digital gold, to the impact of institutional adoption, each factor plays a pivotal role. These factors, complex and interwoven, hold the potential to drive Bitcoin's price to the moon. And while it's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, understanding these factors can help us make educated guesses about the potential trajectory of Bitcoin's value. We'll be exploring each of these factors in detail in the following scenes, shedding light on the mechanics that could propel Bitcoin to such unprecedented heights. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey, exploring the potential future of Bitcoin and the mechanisms that could lead to its meteoric rise. Hold on to your seats as we delve into the factors that could skyrocket Bitcoin to such astronomical heights. To comprehend the future, it's essential to understand the present. Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, has been a game-changer in the financial world. It's an asset unlike any other, born from the digital realm, and it's been consistently defying traditional financial models since its inception over 15 years ago. Let's take a moment to appreciate Bitcoin's current market value. As of now, one Bitcoin is worth tens of thousands of dollars. A staggering figure, especially when you consider that in its early days, Bitcoin was worth less than $1. It's a classic rags to riches story, a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of decentralized finance. Bitcoin's growth hasn't just been remarkable, it's been exponential. It's not just about the price, though. It's about what the price represents. Every spike, every dip tells a story of adoption, of speculation, of faith in a system outside of traditional banking. It's a narrative of people challenging the status quo and embracing a new form of money that's not controlled by any government or institution. But what's truly fascinating is Bitcoin's potential. Can it continue its upward trajectory? To answer this, we turn to its historical data. Bitcoin's past performance has been a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, but overall, the trend has been upward. This isn't a guarantee of future performance, but it's a positive sign. Bitcoin's potential isn't just based on its price, it's also about its role in the global economy. As a decentralized currency, it offers a level of financial freedom and security that's not possible with traditional currencies. It's a hedge against inflation, a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty, and a tool for financial inclusion for those who are unbanked or underbanked. Bitcoin's past performance sets a promising precedent, but can it really reach $4.6 million? The answer to that question isn't clear-cut. The future of Bitcoin is as unpredictable as it is exciting. But one thing is certain, Bitcoin has the potential to change the world, and its journey is just beginning. Scarcity is a key driver of value. The more scarce something is, the more valuable it becomes. The economics of supply and demand illustrate this principle perfectly. But how does this apply to Bitcoin? Bitcoin, unlike traditional fiat currencies, has a finite supply. Its creator, the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto, made sure of this when he built the Bitcoin protocol. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. No more, no less. This hard cap is written into the very code that underpins Bitcoin, and it's this scarcity that makes Bitcoin so unique and potentially so valuable. You see, with traditional currencies like the dollar or the euro, central banks can print more money whenever they see fit. This can lead to inflation, where the value of money decreases over time. But with Bitcoin, there's no central authority that can decide to create more coins. This means that, as demand for Bitcoin increases, its value is likely to rise simply because there isn't enough to go around. Think about gold for a moment. It's valuable because it's scarce. There's only a limited amount of gold in the world, so people are willing to pay a premium for it. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because, like gold, it's scarce. But Bitcoin is even more scarce than gold. There's a finite amount of it, and we know exactly how much there is. So, could this scarcity push Bitcoin's value to $4.6 million? Well, that's the multi-million-dollar question. Scarcity is certainly a big part of the equation, but it's not the only factor at play. Demand, adoption, and market sentiment also play crucial roles in determining Bitcoin's price. Remember, the value of any asset, including Bitcoin, is ultimately determined by what someone else is willing to pay for it. And right now, it seems that more and more people are willing to pay a premium for Bitcoin, driven by its unique combination of scarcity and utility. Scarcity alone may not carry Bitcoin to $4.6 million, so what else factors into this prediction? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the other factors that could drive Bitcoin's price to astronomical heights. Inflation, a silent thief, erodes the purchasing power of our money. It's like a shadowy figure that sneaks into your wallet and takes away a little bit of your cash's value, time and time again. You may not notice it at first, but over time it becomes glaringly obvious. A dollar today doesn't buy what it could 10 years ago, and 10 years from now, it will likely buy even less. So, why does this happen? Well, when governments print more money, the value of each individual unit of currency drops. That's inflation. And it's not just detrimental to our wallets. It destabilizes economies, causing prices to rise and reducing the value of savings. It's a universal problem that affects everyone who uses traditional currencies. Now let's consider Bitcoin. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin has a finite supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This limit is hard-coded into the Bitcoin protocol itself, making it immune to the whims of any government or organization. This scarcity, this deflationary nature, is a key factor that sets Bitcoin apart. When you have a currency that cannot be inflated by printing more of it, you have a potential shield against the silent thief of inflation. Bitcoin, therefore, presents itself as a potential hedge, a protective barrier against the eroding effects of inflation. It's like having a lock on your wallet that the covert thief can't crack. The more people recognize this, the more they might turn to Bitcoin as a store of value. And as demand increases for this finite resource, its value could continue to rise. But remember, Bitcoin is still a relatively young and volatile asset. It's not a guaranteed safe haven, and it carries its own set of risks. It's essential to do your own research and understand these risks before diving in. As inflation continues to affect traditional currencies, Bitcoin's value could continue to rise. It's a fascinating concept, a digital asset potentially acting as a bulwark against a global economic issue. Only time will tell how this story unfolds. Have you ever thought of Bitcoin as digital gold? Let's delve into that analogy. Much like the precious metal we've coveted for centuries, Bitcoin, too, holds its own form of allure. But how exactly does Bitcoin mirror gold? Let's break it down. Firstly, consider gold. It's finite, it's precious, and it's a trusted store of value that has stood the test of time. Now, think about Bitcoin. It's also finite, capped at 21 million coins to be exact. It's precious. Not everyone can get their hands on it, and it's a store of value. A digital asset that has seen tremendous growth since its inception in 2009. But there's more to the comparison than just the basics. In times of economic uncertainty, investors have historically flocked to gold as a safe haven. It's seen as a stable asset that can preserve wealth when other investments are faltering. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature, is increasingly playing a similar role. It offers a way to protect wealth from inflation, economic instability, and the whims of government policy. Moreover, the process of mining Bitcoin parallels that of gold. Both require significant resources, time, and energy. For Bitcoin, this process involves solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. For gold, it involves physical labor, machinery, and the exploration of potential mining sites. Both are intensive processes, further reinforcing the value of these assets. However, Bitcoin has an edge over gold in one critical aspect: it's digital. In a world that's rapidly moving online, having a digital store of value makes sense. It's accessible, it's convenient, and it's secure. It can be sent across the globe in seconds, something that's impossible with physical gold. So, Bitcoin is digital gold? It's more than just a metaphor. It's a reflection of the unique properties and value that Bitcoin brings to the table. Properties that are reminiscent of gold, but enhanced for the digital age. Could this digital gold rush propel Bitcoin to new heights? Institutional adoption could be a game changer for Bitcoin. This isn't just a throwaway line, it's a statement grounded in the realities of today's financial landscape. We now find ourselves in a world where Bitcoin isn't just a fringe asset held by a few tech enthusiasts. Major corporations, governments, and financial institutions are increasingly viewing it as a viable part of their portfolios. And when these heavy hitters step into the Bitcoin arena, they bring with them a considerable amount of financial clout. Consider the impact of a single institutional investor. They can buy millions, even billions worth of Bitcoin, dramatically increasing demand. And in the world of Bitcoin, where supply is strictly limited, increased demand can only mean one thing: increased value. But it's not just about the money. Institutional adoption also brings a level of legitimacy that can't be underestimated. When a major corporation or government invests in Bitcoin, it sends a loud and clear message: Bitcoin is here to stay. This validation can encourage other institutions to follow suit, creating a domino effect that further boosts demand and value. Moreover, institutional adoption can also lead to greater regulatory clarity. As more and more institutions get involved, governments will be compelled to provide clearer guidelines and regulations. This can help reduce the uncertainty and volatility often associated with Bitcoin, making it even more attractive to potential investors. Finally, let's not forget the impact on everyday users. As institutions embrace Bitcoin, they'll likely start offering Bitcoin-related services. This could mean anything from Bitcoin payment methods to Bitcoin investment products, making it easier for everyday people to get involved. And as we all know, the more people involved, the higher the demand and the higher the price. So when we talk about the future of Bitcoin, we can't ignore the potential impact of institutional adoption. It's a factor that could dramatically reshape the landscape, driving demand and value to unprecedented heights. With more institutional players entering the field, the future looks bright for Bitcoin. A journey to $4.6 million is not a simple one, but Bitcoin has the potential to make it happen. With that statement, we've embarked on an enlightening exploration of Bitcoin's journey and its possible future. We started by delving into the potential of Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency that has no central bank or single administrator. This unique trait allows for global transactions without intermediaries, making it an attractive asset for many. We explored the concept of scarcity, a key factor that sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies. With only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be mined, scarcity plays into Bitcoin's value, creating the potential for significant price increases as demand grows and supply dwindles. Then, we discussed inflation, a silent killer of traditional currencies' value. Bitcoin's design counters this. Its deflationary nature, with a capped supply and predictable creation rate, makes it a potential hedge against inflation. We drew parallels between Bitcoin and gold, labeling Bitcoin as digital gold. Like gold, Bitcoin is a store of value, scarce, divisible, and transferable. However, Bitcoin trumps gold with its portability and divisibility, making it a more flexible asset. Finally, we talked about the role of institutional adoption. As more businesses, governments, and institutions embrace Bitcoin, its legitimacy and value are likely to surge. Institutional adoption contributes to Bitcoin's mainstream acceptance, further driving its potential value. A journey to $4.6 million is not a simple one, and Bitcoin's journey has been anything but simple. It's been a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, filled with challenges and triumphs. But through it all, Bitcoin has shown resilience and potential that is hard to ignore. Whether Bitcoin hits $4.6 million or not, one thing is clear: Bitcoin is poised to continue making waves in the financial world. This journey is just beginning, and Bitcoin's potential to revolutionize our financial systems is more evident than ever. The future is bright, and Bitcoin is leading the charge.